Hey Panchita, this is Bobbie. This is the little video that I was telling you about that I'm going to show you everything that I looked for when I was doing some research on your business. If you like what you see in this video, then shoot me a call. Let me know if you want me to help you to get some more clients. If you want to do everything that I show you how to do yourself, that is fine with me too. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you a Google search. So I looked up lashes in Fort Worth, and I see right here that it has 170 searches every month. So this is a little program that I installed into my browser that it just gives me how many times everything was searched, and it gives me just a little report on the words. So whenever you do this search, there's a couple of components that you see. The first part right here under the keyword search is usually the ad section, and you see right here that there's two ads that are running for Lashes Fort Worth. So with the ad section, you pay for it, and each time somebody clicks, you pay for that. One thing about ads though is that nowadays computers, they have ad blockers automatically logged on to them. So if you have an ad blocker, then whoever searches something that you're paying for, they're not gonna see the ads. The next section under the search bar is this right here, which is called the Google My Business section, or the map pack. And I know whenever I look right here, we notice that your business's site isn't right there. I know you're wondering how to get there, because you know that whenever people search something and the business that they choose is usually the first one that's right here, or one of the first three. So the way you get here is a couple of ways. One of the main ways to get on here is by the number of citations you have. A citation is your business's name, address, and phone number listed somewhere directly on the internet the way you have it listed on your business page. So for example, you can get a citation from Yelp, from White Pages, from Facebook, just different agencies like that that list businesses. So your top competitor here is the Lash Lounge. I'm gonna show you this tool that I use called White Spark. It tells us the name of citations that everybody has, along with the citations that they actually have. So I looked up Lashes by Panchita, and I see right here that you have 4 citations. If I click on here, it's going to tell me what citations you have. Right now it's only showing me this Graviton. I don't know what that is, but you're listed with them. And then whenever we go back and we look at the Lash Lounge, the reason why they're number 1 is because they have 30 citations. That's not a whole lot, and actually if I click right here, it'll tell me exactly where they've listed their business names, and then we can go after those and list your information on there so that you can be up high on that map pack too. So the next thing that I want to show you is what's called the organic section of the search, of Google search. So to get right here, there are a couple of things that you can do. Google is mostly about content. So I know you don't necessarily have a website, but I do see that you have this page right here where you're a landing site, basically, where your clients, they can book and just get some information about you. We can actually, if you had a website, then you can be right there, and I'm sure I can still get this page to be up there if I can add some content to it. So whenever I say content, that's just basically the amount of words that you have on your website, but it's not just words alone that get you number 1. Google will crawl through your website looking for specific keywords, and whenever you have more keywords, then you'll be higher on to that, into this listing right here. And of course, you know that these are the 2 spots. If people are looking up lashes in Fort Worth and they don't know you personally, they're going to choose one of these businesses or they're going to choose one of these businesses. And that's approximately 170 people every month that you're missing out on by not being in either of those two spots. So I'm going to show you Amazing Lashes page right here. So I looked up their word count and they have 1,128 words on their page. We can beat that easily. We can add more words and then we can have put in the organic keywords so we can get you up there on that listing. And so the next thing is also backlinks. What a backlink is, it's almost like a citation, but it's whenever you have a relevant business that's linking your site to their page. For example, if I go to like, if there's another lash studio that's in New York and they have your website on their page, that's going to be a backlink for you, and it's a relevant backlink because they also do lashes. Now if you go to Pizza Hut and say, hey Pizza Hut, can you put my website on your page? Well, that's going to be a backlink, but it's not going to be relevant because when you go to Pizza Hut, you're not looking for lashes, you're looking for food, right? So I have this other program that I use. It's called Eris. It's also a paid program. We pay about $400 a month to use this. And so whenever I looked up your website right here, I saw a couple of things. So first right here, you have the UR. What the UR is the authority or the power of your actual link. And you can get ranked from 0 to 100 and you have 13. So that's not very high. But your DR, which is the domain rating, it's your trust and your popularity from the backlinks that you have. So your website has a 92, and that's basically because Square Site is a known company and people trust that. But it's shown me that you have it says no data for your backlinks, so you have no backlinks. So that's why you're not up there in the #1 spot. And you have 3 organic keywords. So there are 3 words that people search online where you're ranking up top. And you have no organic traffic. So that means that you have this little site right here, but whenever people are searching lashes, they're not ever going to see it. The only people that are going to see this site are the people who you tell directly about it. And we're trying to get you more business, so we need to get people who don't know you to this site as well, or to a website if you want. So those are the 2 ways that can get you there on that search. I also want to show you about Facebook. So with Facebook, you can run a lot of ads. I can bring a lot of business. You can find a lot of business on Facebook, not just on Facebook, but on Instagram. And they're 2 owned by the same company. So whatever I do on Facebook, it's easily to transfer over to Instagram as well. The main thing that I saw is that your page right here, it's just a person page. You really need to have a business page so that way you can run ads and just do different things like that to give you some more business. So I hope I wasn't just rambling, and I hope you understand a little bit of what I was saying. Again, there's those 3 things that you can do to help bring yourself more clients. That's first, get some citations with your business information on to other websites, to different listings. Second is content. Get a website where you can put a lot of words and a lot of keywords, at least have more than the 11,000 that your top competitor has. And then backlinks. Try to find other relevant websites that'll add your website link to them. And if you do those 3 things, then you'll sure to rank high in Google and you'll get a lot more clients. Give me a call, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.